Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Subaru Legacy. Stock number is A6966. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera, and this Legacy is all-wheel drive, so you won't be sliding all over the road on those wintry Wisconsin days. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate control and dual heated seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Subaru on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.